Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're delving into a crucial element of landscape design often overlooked: the garden sidewalk. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A well-designed path can transform your outdoor space, adding both beauty and functionality. Let's explore the essential aspects of creating the perfect garden walkway. The concept of a garden sidewalk goes beyond simply providing a route from point A to point B. It's about creating an experience. It's the subtle invitation to explore your garden, a carefully planned journey through your outdoor haven. A well-designed sidewalk complements the surrounding landscape, enhancing its beauty and highlighting its features. It guides the eye, directs foot traffic, and ultimately contributes to the overall aesthetic of your garden. It's a functional element that seamlessly blends with the natural environment, becoming an integral part of the garden's charm. The advantages of incorporating a thoughtfully planned garden sidewalk are numerous. First and foremost, it provides much-needed structure and order to your outdoor space. It prevents people from trampling over your precious plants and helps to define different areas of your garden. A well-defined path also enhances safety, particularly in areas with uneven terrain or during inclement weather. Beyond the practical benefits, a garden sidewalk can significantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your landscape. It adds visual interest, creates a sense of flow, and can even increase the perceived value of your property. Imagine the difference between a haphazardly trodden path and an elegant, purposeful walkway. The impact is substantial. How do you make a good garden sidewalk design? Creating a successful garden sidewalk design involves careful consideration of several factors. Begin by assessing the purpose of the path. Is it primarily functional, connecting different areas of your garden, or is it intended to be a more leisurely stroll? Consider the style of your home and garden. The sidewalk should complement the existing architecture and landscape design. Think about the width of the path. It should be wide enough to comfortably accommodate foot traffic. And, of course, choose materials that are durable, weather-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing. The design should also incorporate the surrounding landscape, perhaps meandering through flower beds or leading to a focal point like a fountain or gazebo. What are the best materials for garden sidewalk design? The choice of materials is crucial for both the functionality and aesthetics of your garden sidewalk. Here are some popular options. First, natural stone. Offers a timeless, elegant look and blends beautifully with natural surroundings. Options include flagstone, slate, and granite. Second, brick. Provides a classic, warm feel and can be arranged in various patterns. Third, concrete pavers. Available in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes, offering versatility and affordability. Fourth, gravel. A cost-effective option that creates a rustic, informal look. Requires regular maintenance. Fifth, wood. Adds a natural, warm touch, but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and decay. Sixth, recycled materials. Environmentally friendly and can add a unique character to your garden. Consider using reclaimed bricks, stones, or even broken concrete pieces. Seventh, composite materials. Offer the look of wood or stone with increased durability and low maintenance. 8th, tile. Can create a beautiful and unique look, but may not be suitable for all climates. 9th, grass pavers. Allow grass to grow through them, creating a green and natural pathway. 10th, combination of materials. Combining different materials, such as stone and gravel, can create visual interest and texture. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best garden sidewalk design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The classic brick path. A timeless design that complements any style of home. Consider a herringbone or running bond pattern for added visual interest. 2. The rustic stone pathway. Irregularly shaped flagstones create a natural, organic look. 3. The elegant gravel path. A simple yet sophisticated option, perfect for informal gardens. 4. The modern concrete paver path. Clean lines and geometric patterns create a contemporary feel. 5. The winding woodland path. A meandering path through a wooded area adds a touch of whimsy. 6. The formal garden path. A straight, symmetrical path leading to a focal point, such as a fountain or statue. 7. The cottage garden path. A narrow, informal path lined with flowering plants. 8. The Japanese garden path. A stepping stone path through a Zen garden creates a serene and tranquil atmosphere. 9. The raised garden path. A path elevated above the surrounding ground, often used in gardens with uneven terrain. 10. The mosaic tile path. A vibrant and colorful option that adds a touch of personality to your garden. Creating a beautiful and functional garden sidewalk is an investment that will enhance your enjoyment of your outdoor space for years to come. By carefully considering the design, materials, and purpose of your path, you can create a walkway that perfectly complements your garden and reflects your personal style. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite garden sidewalk ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.